If I lost everything today, I will still be making $13,000 per month in 6 months or less, and I am here to exactly show you how, step by step, with no fluff, only execution like South Indian movies, and no type of follow your passion types of things. Take a notebook or a journal to take some notes. Most people ask, what business should I start in 2025? Here's the wrong question. You should ask, what skills do I have or can learn to solve a painful problem in 2025? But in 2025, there are only 3 skills that you can master just to solve and make more than $50,000 to $100,000 per month in 6 months. And that is first, distribution. Distribution means ads, marketing kind of services, just like SMMA, but in a unique way through AI. Means like if you combine SMMA plus ChatGPT or kind of any of your AI agent, you have just made a money printer. Second, that is branding, email marketing, copywriting. These all are the services that you can learn today, now, and you can learn till 2 to 3 months, and then you have to work for free just to see the world and see the execution, planning. And the third, it's like a new for 2025, but you can make a good amount of money if you master that skill, because I also need that person, and that is cold calling and funnels maker. Yes, it means, I don't know, you will feel like good or not, but funnels making is making more than 200 to $300,000 in big companies just to make a whiteboard, and that's it. They just need to be creative, but they have this skill that they ever single funnel works every single time. Either it is in lead generation, either it is in social media, either it is in whatever, etc. From zero, here's what I'll do in 6 weeks. In week 1 to 2, I will pick a niche in the industry where I can solve a painful problem. Then I will learn that, and then like make some short videos, UGC videos, or like meta ads if I have money, just to be more presentable in social media, that I can do more than other person and what is different in me than other person, so that clients come to me in social media. Okay, you understand what I'm trying to say. Second, in week 2, 3 to 4, or like week 5, I will just make an irresistible offer by seeing some popular salesmen like Alex Ramosi, Jeremy Minor, and there's one more guy also, Andres Contreras Grassi. He's in social media influencer. He's also a best meetings. He's like a best sales closer that I have ever been seeing, and it is not any promotion type of thing. I just have seen his video and learned from that. Now, making 10 and now the offer should be goes like in, it is like an example that I am giving to you, but the offer should be irresistible. Okay, the offer should be goes like 10 qualified leads in 10 days, or you will don't pay me. And you should add don't pay, because it just makes illusion in the prospect minds. Means if I don't get any type of results, I will don't need to pay. And where you can be the one, means if you have the right skill, means if you do like 20 to 30 cold calls and you get 2 to 3 clients, it's just a loss for theirs, not yours, and you are getting money. That's it, and that's it what we are gonna do in this. Okay, then week 5 to 6, I will just do more short form, more content, and just do like use ChatGPT to write cold DMs, mails, and send 50 Loom videos every day, and no excuses, because if you give excuses, you will end up being broke. Sorry. And it's just not hard. It's just like I'm comfortable doing it. Like I'm also like shooting a video now, but I just want to make my funnel for my lead generation agency right now and my team also. It's just uncomfortable, and you have to do it. Then I will make a 3-layer system, and that is, first I will make a $3,000 month service It's just like an DeFi videos, reels or ads type of services, just like lead generation or social media agency. ठीक है. Second, that is beginners coaching, one-on-one coaching consultancy, and in your niche, especially in your niche. मानता हूँ कि कोर्सेज बेचने वालों की ज़िंदगी ठंड है, लेकिन इफ़ यू हैव द राइट स्किल, इफ़ यू हैव द राइट रिजल्ट्स, यू विल सक्सीड, ट्रस्ट मी प्लीज. ठीक है. थर्ड, that is $42 PDF. Yes, it is just like digital product, means you have the like kind of, I have this cold call script, just follow me and comment DM to get that. You have to do this, and you will be shifted to the landing page for the prospect, so he can buy and you will get a commission, or you will get all the money after cutting the tax. We are in India, and you can use Gumroad, by the way. And if you have money, so you can use landing page also, and because it looks more professional. Okay, now let me tell you the way you hit all the price points. Cold people will buy your service, warm people buy your mid, means the free things that is available in your social media. Third, people pays very much for leads plus DeFi reels. If you can create one of those, and you will make more than $50,000 to $60,000 in 6 months, but you can make very good money in India right now. ठीक है, for DeFi reels, by giving services to international people. ठीक है. Now the main thing that we are going to proceed is to get good clients. And if you want best clients and fast clients, just skip my video and go to watch other shoots, because if you are just losing your respect with a person who just paying you big money, you are just a slave for them. We need good people with good respect and good money. I don't care if the money is less, but I am very much hungry for respect and power, and that's it. Okay, so if you are also want good money, so here's what we can do is to send 10 DMs on mails per day. Yes, because if you are losing your quality in intensity, you are just a foolish. Yes, if the 10 DMs is like 100, you can close around 1 to 2 book calls, and then you can give them $3,000 to $4,000 services, and they will acceptly मान जाएंगे, फिर ले जाना, and that's it. आपके $2,000 as upfront and $2,000 as last. ये तो सबको पता ही है. एंड स्पेशली बहुत लोग ना इसमें एक चीज़ गलती करते हैं कि कभी भी एग्रीमेंट साइन नहीं करते, ना ही कभी एग्रीमेंट का ध्यान देते हैं, इनवॉइस का, ना ही थैंक यू PDF, ना वेलकम PDS. इन सब का ध्यान दो. प्रोफेशनल लगता है और अच्छा भी लगता है क्लाइंट को देखने से. ठीक है, क्योंकि क्लाइंट को एक एज अ इल्यूजन ऑफ चॉइस बन जाती है कि उसने बहुत बड़े बड़े लोगों के साथ काम किया है. ठीक है. नाउ अब मेन चीज़, अब हियर इज द टूल्स दैट यू कैन यूज. स्क्रिप्ट थोड़ी ख़राब हो गई है मेरी. हेयर द स्क्रिप्ट दैट यू कैन यूज़. तो आप क्ले यूज़ कर सकते हो, क्ले, अपोलो टू गेट वेरीफाइड लीड्स. सेकेंड, यू कैन यूज़ ChatGPT टू राइट बेस्ट टाइप ऑफ DMs, cold mails, or you can use DeepSeek also to write 10 DMs, but give the best prompt ever. And if you want that prompt, you can join my Discord. Okay, here यहाँ पे आपको सारी इनबाउंड से लेके आउटबाउंड से लेके सारी स्ट्रेटजीज है, सारे वाइट बोर्ड्स मिल जाएंगे जिनको आप टेस्ट कर सकते हो. एंड पक्का आपको $30,000 पर मंथ मिलेंगे, क्योंकि मुझे उससे रिजल्ट्स मिले हैं. एंड आई एम ऑल्सो देयर, एंड आई मेक ग्राफिक्स ग्रो more than 3 months ago, and we have closed more than $10,000 to $50,000 per month every like single day. Okay, third point, we will track our progress in Notion. क्योंकि देखो, अगर आप अपनी प्रोग्रेस को ट्रैक नहीं कर रहे हो, आपको समझ नहीं आएगा आपने कल कितना काम किया, आज कितना काम किया, या आपको कल कितना पैसा मिला, आज कितना नहीं मिला. ये चीज़ एक छोटी छोटी दुकान से लेके एक बड़े से बड़े बिजनेस में भी होता है. तो आप कौन से खेत की मूली हो, आपको भी ये करना है ही है. ठीक है. ट्रैक एवरीथिंग इन नोशन, ClickUp और एनी काइंड ऑफ थिंग, और लाइक जर्नल समथिंग. ठीक है. नाउ देयर इज अ थिंग जो कि मीन्स सब लोग इसको मना मतलब एक टाइप से करते ही नहीं है. और अभी तक मैंने जितनी भी आपको ऑफर्स के बारे में चीज़ बताई, दे आर नोन एज ऑफर स्टैकिंग. ठीक है. ये हम लोग इसलिए ऑफर स्टैकिंग बोलते हैं, जिससे हम लोग एक इररेसिस्टिबल ऑफर बना लें, जिससे क्लाइंट इस वीडियो या एक टाइप से मतलब लाइक आपकी जैसे लूम वीडियो है ये, तो उस लूम वीडियो को छोड़े ना, ठीक है। आपको इसलिए ऐसा टाइप का ऑफर बना के रखना है। नाउ द मेन पॉइंट, अभी तक शायद मोस्टली लोग जा चुके होंगे, लेकिन जो देख रहा है just watch carefully now. Once you start getting $13,000 to $14,000 per month in your AI agency or your any kind of AI businesses, stop being a freelancer, then start being a CEO. So, and if I also want to make more than $20,000 per month through $10,000 to $14,000 per month, here's what I do. First of all, I will hire a VA for $600 per month. Second, I will train our business juniors, media buyers or video editors. Then I will also make some AI agents to do some automation kind of work, so I can be free. And now boom, you just got your time free and you can just get more sale, and you can just sell more, scale and systemize too. And if the main problem is in the system is that it didn't have any kind of like knowledge based purpose. The only thing that you are doing wrong is you are doing $10 per hour work in the expectation of $10,000 per month, and it doesn't add on. And you're just being cry alone in the bed that why I am not getting lunch, why I'm paying so low, why I just got paid a shit amount of money, and you just want big money and you are doing something kind of this shitty things. पर चलो, by the end of 3 I will start documenting my journey too. Like आपको तो पता ही है, I was doing my challenge but बीच में stop हो गया, उसका reason भी मैं आपको Instagram में दूँगा, you can check it out. Okay, so by the end of 3 I will also start documenting my journey, like it is day 0 by growing my $0 agency, और लाइक कोल्ड DM 100 पीपल, जैसे कि आपको तो पता ही है क्योंकि मैंने ये चैलेंज किया था 30 डेज तक किया था, बस मैं उसे बस पोस्ट नहीं कर पा रहा था क्योंकि मेरे को बस टाइम नहीं मिल रहा था उस चीज़ का. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव अहेड. देखो, द कंटेंट गेम इज़ वेरी हाई in especially in 2025. If you are not making personal brand, you are missing something, not something, you are missing mostly of your business, because personal brand is just like a distribution machine. And because if you use it carefully, wisely and smartly, you can just get 1,000 buyers. Because in personal brand you just don't need any kind of 1 million followers. I want to be like in this fan fest, fucking fan fest. ये मैटर नहीं करता है. The only thing that matters is you are getting 1,000 buyers from a million views video, and that's just a great thing for us. And I just don't want any kind of fancy. You are famous. Have you come fan fest? It's just shit. Mostly billionaires stay silent, stay secret, because they just want to live private, and especially in nature. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now there are two choices of you. You can like just sit along or just go through your DMs, or just scroll away. But the second option is I will be posting this video after like 1 or 2 days. Like after the posting of this video, you will just pick a niche, buy any kind of AI thing, and the thing that you like, and after that you DM 20 people, 30 people, and just post it on your Instagram, and boom, you have just created a personal brand. Plus you have started working on your niche, means you have just made your business, but in a freelancer way, not a CEO way. So if you also want the $4,000 monthly plan that I use in my AI agency to charge more than $5,000, $6,000 for my cold calling agents, mailing agents, and that all free templates are in my Discord community. And if you also want to join, just comment me 4K plan or 100, कुछ भी लिख दो यार, कुछ भी लिख दो, मैं आपको सब में नोशन का फ्री टेम्पलेट प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा. And subscribe if you like love this video and just don't want to any kind of shit. And right now I am going because my business is running too. I have manager, but if I didn't show up, the business will. Man, I don't thank you. But there is a thing that I just want to like share with you guys, and that is the people who are making money or who are just doing good things in 2025 are not smarter than you or are not talented than you. They just know the value of time. They just know the value of time so that they are not wasting it. I don't care about that if they are starting now or getting the results 2026 or 2027. It doesn't matter. It just matter when are you starting. Like let's say they have just got their results in 2027 and you are starting them then. So you will be getting the results at 2000 like 20 or fucking kind of shit. So just start early. I am also early. I am also a 15-year-old guy. Many people thinking, who's this shit is guy? But I am making money. I don't care about your fucking opinions. You write shit on comments, I don't care. I will be just uploading this. Because whenever I just get old, I just used to get watch these videos like, just to see like how far I have come. And if I gave up, then also I will watch this video like why I gave up? Why I fucking gave up? Okay. Bye. Humans मिलते हैं दूसरी वीडियो में.